Hey you guys, it's Rocky with Social with Rocky, and thank you for being in the Facebook group, Instagram Marketing Tips. Now, if you are not in the Facebook group, make sure you join the Facebook group, Instagram Marketing Tips, because I give you all of the tips that you need to help you to make sales on Instagram. But not only Instagram, I also talk about different marketing and business techniques, okay? As well as different platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, all of those kind of things. But our main focus is on Instagram. So you probably have been struggling, scrambling, crying, screaming, yelling, just not liking any of this, of what's going on with the engagement, okay? Engagement has gone out the freaking window and we are sick of it, okay? I went from getting 200, 300 likes to getting maybe 2 or 3 likes. Now, I wasn't too sad because I'm still getting business and I'm still having people hop into my DMs, which is probably the case for you. But we all know it still looks bad. If people know us and we have a brand to represent and they see that there's no likes on the page, they're not going to like it. People like to see popularity. When they see popularity, they latch on like freaking a fish to a worm in the water, okay? They latch on real quick. That's why I'm so excited that Instagram is going to hide likes and Facebook is talking about hiding their likes as well. But enough about that part, okay? We want our engagement back, okay? Now, for those of you that are blaming the algorithm really doesn't change that much, okay? It doesn't change as much as you're giving it credit for, right? It changes every once in a while, every once in a blue moon. And when it does change, I tell you what that change is, okay? But the engagement portion is you. You want to know why? Because Instagram is at 1 billion followers, you guys. 1 billion people are logged into Instagram probably on a daily basis, all right? So what that means for you is you really have to step your game up and you really have to use different methods to get the attention that you once had, all right? Just posting hashtags and just posting videos and the same old stuff you have been doing before is not going to work, all right? You have to use new methods and new techniques for Instagram because Instagram has to spread the engagement out to 1 billion users, okay? So first, let me explain to you how the algorithm works, all right? So the algorithm works like this. If you have a post and people find it popular, they're liking your page, they're liking the page, they're commenting on it, they're really showing this page attention, they're sharing it, they are saving it by hitting that bookmark button. The more shares and saves and likes and comments and stuff like that, Instagram looks at that and they're like, you know what, this person's really popular. We're going to give them more attention. So they open up the book a little bit wider for a little bit more of your followers and some of your non-followers to come in. If they start liking it, they open it up a little bit wider for more people to come in. And that's how people actually go viral, okay? Now, when you post this, all right, this takes about an hour or two in order for Instagram to pull it together, okay? So those of you that are posting and then an hour later posting again, and then 10 minutes later posting again, and you're posting back to back to back, you're not giving Instagram enough time for the algorithm to even work. Me, I suggest you post at least every 3 hours, okay? And I bet you didn't know this, all right? When you post a photo and it does not get a lot of engagement, I don't know if you're using wrong hashtags. I don't know if you're not using hashtags at all. Side note, you want to use 30 hashtags constantly, okay? Between 15 and 30 hashtags all the time. You got them, also use them and find the right hashtags. But we're going to go into Facebook. We're going to go into hashtags later and doing hashtag research later, all right? But use your hashtags. So if you have the post, okay, and the post is sitting there and it's popular and people are flooding your account, and then you make another post 3 hours later, Instagram is automatically going to start sending traffic to that next post because they saw that the post previous to that was popular. Now, if you don't pick the right hashtags and your post is kind of crappy and it's just kind of sitting there and it's not so good, your next post is not going to do that good, all right? Because they're not going to send you anything besides what you do from your hashtags and people finding you from your hashtags. That's why hashtag research is so important. But if you're popular and getting popular posts, then the next post that they'll send more people to you. If that's popular, the next post, they're going to send more people to you, okay? It's like a snowball, okay? Kind of like what they say, the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. That's kind of how it is with the algorithm, you guys, okay? But there are different things that you can do to trick the algorithm and to get your engagement back, all right? And these are the 3 tips that I'm going to show you in order for you to do that. Some of you are not going to like it, okay? But you're going to have to deal with it if you want your engagement back, all right? So I'm going to focus today to talk to you about Instagram TV Instagram stories, and Instagram live. Yes, the 3 places where you have to show your face. So if you're a shy person and you're like, you know what, I really don't want to be in front of the camera and I really don't know what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do it when it comes to live and stories, get over that, okay? You need to be on video. You need to be on video. You need to be on video. I'm going to say it one more time. You need to be on video, because if you're not, you're losing out on your engagement, all right? All of Instagram's engagement is now going to Instagram TV first, Instagram Live first, Instagram Stories first. It does not put that much emphasis on the Instagram post, and that's the truth. And to prove this to you, I'm going to let you know now that when I changed my method to posting mostly on Instagram TV and Instagram Stories, I have increased my engagement by 400%, not on likes in my posts, but on Instagram TV. On my Instagram TV, when it comes to views, I've gotten between 100 at first, and then 300, and then 400. Now I'm almost at 1,000 views, to between 1,000 to 5,000 views on Instagram TV. When people are viewing my Instagram TV, they're going back and they're checking out my profile, okay? Do they like the photos? Maybe not, but I've gotten more sales. I've gotten more clients. I've gotten more people asking me about my services, you guys, all through Instagram TV. And I bet you didn't know this, but in the caption on Instagram TV, you can actually post a link there, a clickable link. Did you know that? Probably not. It's a clickable link, okay? So that's great for landing pages and those of you that love webinars, okay? So with Instagram TV, you can do vertically, and now you can do horizontally, okay? Vertically, horizontally. You like how I did that? You can do both now, okay? To get your views on Instagram TV, make sure you use your 30 hashtags in the comments, just like you would on an Instagram post. I bet you didn't know that either, okay? That's going to get engagement flooding to your account as well, all right? You can do that, you guys. So find content that you want to plan for Instagram TV. It has to be between 1 minute and 10 minutes, okay? Just do it. Instagram Live, I've been talking about that for a long time. Go live on Instagram, you guys. Go live on Instagram, you guys. Hey, guys, go live on Instagram, okay? Talk about your life. Talk about some tips, some tricks. Be you, okay? Give them some reason to cling on to you. And make sure you're regular with Instagram TV and Instagram Live, okay? I plan on doing Instagram TV and Instagram Live Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Now, will that happen? I don't know. It's just what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to get my engagement up that way, okay? So I'm going to try. Instagram Stories. You should at least be posting one Instagram story every hour, okay? 15 to 30 Instagram Stories posts is what will get you your engagement back. And I know it seems like a lot, but you know what I do when I don't have anything? I go right to my Explore page and I share other people's posts into my Instagram Stories and use your hashtags. You can use up to 11. You can use one hashtag sticker, and you can go to the text part and you can put up to 10 hashtags in there, and then take your hashtags, shrink them up and swipe them off the screen, okay? That gets you the possibility of being featured in a hashtag story, okay, which gets you even more engagement with the stories. With Instagram Stories alone, my page views have went up by 200, you guys. Okay, so I invite you, for one, join the Facebook group Instagram Marketing Tips, okay? For two, make sure you create an Instagram story. And Instagram story is pre-recorded, by the way. Thank you, YouTube. Pre-recorded, okay? And do your Instagram Live and do your Instagram TV, okay? If you want your engagement back, you have to do something different. So step out of your comfort zone, hippity hop out your comfort zone, and get on video, you guys. And let me know how it works for you. If you have any questions, shoot me a message, shoot me a DM. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Rocky Media Expert. And make sure you join the group Instagram Marketing Tips. I will see you in there. And until next time.